Hey guys, welcome back to Ready Set Viral, and today we're going to be looking at 15 easy DIY projects that you can do on your own or with friends. But before we begin, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. Let's get into it. If you don't want to buy any shoe insoles, we have an easy DIY to make some. Get a bowl. It would be best if it was made out of glass or ceramic. Fill it with clear glue, add food dye, and contact lens solution. Mix it together, put it in a small, long plastic bag, and put it into your shoes. Yes, this sounds super crazy, but it's so comfortable. If you want some box organizers and have some leftover cereal boxes, this hack is perfect for you. First, get 3 cereal boxes and cut off the top tabs. Hot glue them on top of each other like this, and then all you have to do is decorate. We used some decorative duct tape and then did a black border along the edges. If you want to do that, go for it. Then you can put anything you want in these organizers. If you want a do-it-yourself lava lamp, all you need is a jar, vegetable oil, food dye, and Alka-Seltzer. Get the jar, fill it with vegetable oil, about half, add some water, add about 10 to 20 drops of food dye, and then the Alka-Seltzer. It'll look just like a lava lamp. If you want some really cool DIY bracelets, all you need is a plastic bottle. Cut off the bottom of it and the top part so that you have a small portion of the bottle from the middle. Use an iron and melt the sides so they curve in. Then you have a bracelet. If you want, you can use some nail polish to make some cool designs just like we did. If you have some boring white mugs and you want to decorate them with friends, all you need is some oil-based Sharpies. All you have to do is write on them and you can make them look super elegant, just like us. Make sure you're doing this on ceramic mugs and then do whatever design you want. Once you're done, put the mug into an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, and once it's removed and cooled, it's a perfect cup. If you have a clear phone case and want to spice it up a little bit, all you need is your clear case, some crepe paper, and a container. Cut the paper into strips while it's still all folded and put it all into the container. Then put boiling water on top and wait 3 minutes with your phone case submerged. And that's it, your phone case will be transformed. You can have some small jewelry plate holders with this easy DIY. Get some air dry clay, 2 colors preferably, roll them into these long shapes and wrap them around together. Mix them a little, but not so much so that they get totally mixed together, just so it creates a marble effect like this. Once you're done that, roll it out with a glass and use the top of the glass to cut it into a circular shape. Smoothen out the edges and then put it back into the top of the cup and let it air dry. Once they're done, you can paint the edges and voila, you have some jewelry holders. To have a really cool, colorful coaster, all you need is some plastic, colorful straws, some parchment paper, an iron, and obviously some scissors to cut it. Get some straws and cut them into small pieces. We used a cup just to collect them. Then put them between a folded parchment paper and iron it. Then, once it's completely flat, you can cut the whole piece into the circle. We used a cup to help us with that. And voila, you have the perfect coaster. If you want a cool LED cloud hanging in your room or on your wall, all you need is a water bottle, something to cut a hole with, some fluffy stuffing or fiber, and the LED lights. Get your water bottle, cut 2 holes into it, and string any string through it. Leave it out as you glue a whole bunch of fluffy stuffing around the water bottle. Then cut a hole in the bottom of the water bottle and put all of the LED strips inside. Then, once you're all done, you can plug it in, hang it up with the string, and voila, an amazing cloud hanging in your room. If you want an amazing notebook, all you need is some beads, hot glue, and the top of a Pringles can. Use the beads and make them into the circle with the top of the Pringles can. Then glue it over top of the beads and voila! You have an amazing notebook with also a fidget toy. If you used the top of the Pringles can for the previous hack, you can use the actual container of it for an amazing pencil holder. Get the Pringles can and wrap around a piece of paper and glue it on top. Then get some rhinestones just like this and glue that on top as well. And then it holds all your pencils. Speaking of pencil holders, we also have a hack to make them look like donuts. Get 2 CDs that you aren't using anymore and paint them a tannish color. Then put some pink around it, some white in the center, and make sure to do this with 2 CDs. Then get a strip of cardboard and hot glue it around 1 CD. Then get a toilet paper roll, paint it white, and put it in the middle of the CD like this, and glue it. Then glue the other CD to the other side, and once it's all done, paint the cardboard that is showing the beige color of the donut, and voila, you have a donut holder for your pencils. Are your pens a little too boring? All you need is some hot glue and some colorful straws. Take out the outer part of your pen and instead hot glue right near where the ink comes out, and then put the straw right where the glue is. And voila, you have some amazing pen holders. If you want a really cute piggy bank, all you need is a plastic cup, we used a Harvey's cup, some paint, some air dry clay, and some glue. First get the cup, paint it pink, and draw some boba at the bottom with your black paint and a little face just like we did. Then get your air dry clay, roll it out, cut it into a circle with the top of a cup, and cut a little slot for your money. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, and then glue it to the top of the cup. Then we got a straw and glued it to the top so it looked a little more realistic, and there you go, an amazing piggy bank. Our last hack is going to be some cute pencil holders. Get 3 different sizes of paper rolls and wrap them in some construction paper using some glue. Draw some cute little faces on them, and then get a piece of corkboard and glue them to the board. That's all you need for this cute pencil holders. That's all we have for you guys today. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed, and watch the 2 videos that are on your screen. Bye now!